Garlic can change your life with Kale. Unlocking health, foods that heal inside out. Ever wondered if what you eat can transform your health? Certain foods possess the magical ability to heal your body, making you feel revitalized from the inside out. These foods aren't just fuel, they're medicine for your body, capable of reducing inflammation, boosting your immunity, and enhancing your overall well-being. Imagine a diet that fights the very inflammation causing your discomfort or illness. Foods like turmeric and ginger are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, so while mount calories for daily value. Leafy greens and berries pack a punch of antioxidants to bolster your immune system. Calories from fat 45 amount per serving, calories 280% daily value. It's not just about eating well, it's about eating smart. The next time you plan your meals, think beyond taste. Consider the healing benefits each ingredient can bring to your table. By choosing foods that support your health, you're not only enjoying delicious meals but also investing in a healthier, happier future. Kale, the leafy green powerhouse. Kale, a nutrient-dense superfood, is more than just a trendy health item. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, it supports everything from vision to bone health. This leafy green has earned its place in the spotlight with its ability to boost your body's defenses and keep you feeling invigorated. Whether you're tossing it in a salad or blending it into a smoothie, kale is a versatile addition to your diet. Its robust texture and slightly bitter flavor can transform dishes, providing both culinary and nutritional benefits. Discover the potential of kale in elevating your meals and your health. Incorporating kale into your daily routine is easier than you think. From kale chips to soups, the options are endless. Embrace the green revolution and let kale be the hero of your kitchen. It's time to make this powerhouse vegetable a staple in your pantry. Discover delicious kale recipes today. Unlocking the power of garlic in your life. Garlic, a humble ingredient found in kitchens worldwide, is more than just a flavor enhancer. Its rich history in medicine and cooking dates back thousands of years. Today, garlic is celebrated not only for its taste but also for its health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing blood pressure. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be both simple and rewarding. From sautéing it with vegetables to using it in marinades, the possibilities are endless. Its versatility allows it to complement a wide range of dishes, turning ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. Beyond the kitchen, garlic's potential is being explored in various industries, from health supplements to skincare. As research continues to unveil its numerous benefits, now is the perfect time to embrace this powerhouse ingredient in your daily routine. Explore the benefits of garlic today. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.